All the municipalities around do a great job at bringing a safe product to your home. They all have to subscribe to some very stringent FDA requirements to keep their contaminants below a certain level. The problem is in any municipality you have to take water that's not clean, clean it up, send it back to people's homes, and in that process chemicals are used, different types of filtrations are used, and then they have to run it through a pretty long set of pipes under the ground to get it to your home. So by the time it gets there, you do have what would be a safe product, but a lot of the chemicals and things that are used make the water not necessarily taste and smell the way you would want. We use a returnable bottle process with our 5 and 3 gallon bottles, so it's very eco-friendly. You're not throwing plastic away. And because of that, the bottles come back, we put them through a very stringent sanitization process. The first thing we do is we visually inspect the bottles. Then they are run through our machine that washes the bottles, and the way that happens is they're washed at 130 degrees with a custom sanitization solution. Then they are rinsed with soft water, and then they go through a final ozonated water rinse, which just ensures a really clean, high-quality bottle. Our bottled water goes through a very stringent 5-step process. We take city water, and the first thing we do is soften it, which removes hardness from the water and makes the membranes do a better job at cleaning it up. The next step is an activated carbon filtration, which is a polished filter that removes taste and odor, chlorine, some of the things that would be in city water. Then it runs through a reverse osmosis membrane. Reverse osmosis, basically in a nutshell, what it does is it removes everything that's in the water. Anything that would be dissolved in the water, whether it be chlorine, pesticides, herbicides, anything that would be considered what you wouldn't want in the water is going to be removed. The water then sits in a storage tank, and on its way back out it goes through a final activated carbon polish. Then it is run through an ozonator, and the ozonator is it's a sanitizer basically that would kill anything that would be in the water, but it's an extra process to make sure it's super high quality. The entire reason we choose reverse osmosis and the process that we go through as opposed to spring water or another type of water is that we know we're removing anything that would be in the water. So you get a very high quality, very clean, very fresh taste. There are a lot of types of bottled water out there. There are spring waters, there are a lot of variations. What we do is we make sure we work really hard at taking everything out of the water so you have a high quality of water. It tastes good, you know it's safe already, and it's a very high purity. Most people prefer that taste. And what we say is if you've taken everything out of the water and you were concerned to begin with, then you know you've won the battle. A long time ago when we first started in bottled water, a lot of people decided, hey, can't I just come pick the water up? And we thought, sure. Well, over a period of time, as people were carrying bottles in and out and running in and out and doing all the work themselves, it kind of became cumbersome. So one Saturday when it was really busy, we put a cash register and a table out inside and just let people come pick their water up. That kind of morphed into a drive-through, and now it's a really refined science where you pull up behind the wheel, you don't get out from behind the wheel. Credit card, check, on account, whatever, however you want to pay, we take care of it, and you just keep on going. Maybe in a minute or two you've picked your water up. You've saved a lot of money.